because there's
Totally.
so much else out there that's cheaper and yeah.
Yeah, and also just the requisite levels of knowledge too, right, are so
Mm,
different. And I didn't have a great appreciation for it until I started doing some of this training work
mm,
and talking to people that you almost assume a certain level of knowledge after you've been working in the
yes.
industry, right? And
Yeah.
it's stuff like an IP address, and like you look at an
Mm,
IP address and you go, oh yeah, cool. Like I understand, like shy of going and actually like reading the RFC on like the structure of an IP address. Like I understand how to use it in a practical way every day,
yeah.
but when someone that doesn't have that goes and looks at some training that has an IP address, they're like, what is this thing? Why do I keep typing it into my terminal? And why does it matter that the numbers are right every time? And why does it matter where the dots go, and like all
Or
that type of
or
stuff?
even if they look at it and they don't realize that each octet has a certain range. So if they
Well,
saw an
that's a big
IP
one,
address
yeah.
that